Greetings, David from Redline Detection here with a tech tip on validating EVAP system repairs. So a vehicle comes to the shop with a check engine light on and a trouble code for an EVAP system failure. You use your Total Tech or your Ready Smoke to do a proper diagnosis and you're sure you found the problem. After completing repairs, it's a good idea to hook your machine back up and use the flow meter and the pressure gauge to make sure there are no additional leaks. Now you're ready for a road test. But before you go on that road test, it's a good idea to have a solid understanding of readiness monitors and drive cycles. Let's take a look at a drive cycle. You can find drive cycles in shop information systems, OEM service websites, and even some scan tools. Simply put, a drive cycle is a pattern of vehicle operation that allows the vehicle's computer to review data and confirm proper function of a specific system. Drive cycles can seem pretty complex if you look at each individual step that's required to complete them. But to make sure your road test is most efficient, there are a few things you should be aware of. For starters, most manufacturers will not start a readiness monitor on an EVAP system if the fuel tank is below a quarter tank or above 3/4 of a tank. Another tip, make sure you check startup temperatures, as most manufacturers require some kind of cold soak. When you're on the road test, most drive cycles for EVAP systems involve a period of cruise and a period of decel without touching the accelerator or the brake. You can see these notes through each individual drive cycle to gain some kind of consistency and shorten your drive time. Remember, if it takes you longer than 15 minutes to complete an EVAP drive cycle, you might have missed one of those early prerequisites. Thanks for watching this week's tech tip from Redline Detection. If you have any questions or need technical support, please call Redline to talk to one of our ASE Certified Master Technicians. See you next time.